What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, it's been a minute since we had a oh my glassware OMG Dollar Tree video. I know the whole OMG is super played out, but it really fits for this, so I'm just gonna keep going with it. Anyways, you guys, let's start right here with some of these new stemless wine glasses. This one says, "Happiness is homemade." These are definitely brand new. And then we also have Gather, super cute and new for fall. And the image is on both sides. And of course, we have many others like Happy B-Day. Hooray, it's my birthday. It's my birthday month. Super Mama, this one is definitely new, and you know what? It might actually be a candle holder. I think it just made its way to the glassware aisle. We also have Off the Market. And if you're not into graphics, we have some really nice, just plain ones. And don't forget the super heavy, super heavy duty restaurant quality margarita glasses. Like, these are amazing. They are really nice, super sturdy, really nice, you guys. Like, those are so nice. Oh my gosh, you guys, we even have some 'tis the season stemless wine glasses down here. And don't forget also another super heavy restaurant quality, what are these called, you guys? Beer mugs, steins, I don't know. I'm not a beer drinker, but all I can say is this is heavy and it's pure quality. It's really nice. Wow, these are nice as well. You can always tell that they're nice and they have that extra weight to them when you see this big portion down here of glass. Drink Local, also really nice and heavy, not quite as heavy as this one, but really nice. Wow. I mean, these are just pure quality. We also have gray, and then we also have the stemless gray, and then two varieties here. Teach me, tell me, I don't know the difference. We have the blues, the beautiful blues by Chris Starr, love those, and the blue wine glasses. These are really cute, and they're nice and heavy too. It shows you how to make all these different drinks: Manhattans, margaritas, daiquiris, Tom Collins, martinis, cosmopolitans, and whiskey sours. It gives you the recipe right there on the cup. I noticed these a couple weeks ago. Those are new. The cactus ones, those have been out for a few years. Let's come over here. Yes, we have more, and we have more newness over here with glasses and bowls and other containers. I lined these up for you guys. Plant Smiles, Grow Laughter, Harvest Love. This one is brand new this week. You're the pineapple of my eye. It's super cute. This one came out about a month ago. Be brave, be bold. And then we also have Coffee is a Hug and a Mug. And then we also have When Life Gives You Lemons, Make Lemonade, and Coffee with a Side of Brunch in the very back. I think a couple of these are new as well. Drink Up, these are the reusable, BPA-free, little dishwasher safe coffee cups. They hold how many ounces? Is it gonna tell us? looking, you guys. I don't see, it doesn't say how many ounces, but it's really cute. Drink up, seize the day, take it to go, rise with the tide. These would be really perfect if maybe you're getting some work done on your house and you want to offer someone coffee, and you can just give them one of these cups. It would be a really, really nice gesture. I've done that before in the past, but I didn't have a really cute cup to offer. So something like this would be perfect. Reach for the Stars is brand new. I actually think it looks kind of graduation-ish. Maybe it's not new. And then we have these BPA water bottles up here, blue, clear, and pink. These hold 59 ounces. Kind of flimsy, but I'm really glad they're BPA free. The little melamine plates are back, the marble ones. And I believe these are new this week. Look at the lid, you guys. Wouldn't that have been so cute if there was a way to stack those? Like maybe if it had a second piece on the bottom with a little indent and you could stack them sort of like a sophisticated Lego. But no, that's not the design. That's just my idea. It's kind of what I thought they were going for. These are here. Grandma's candy dish. Whoa, those are big. You could totally DIY this. Whoa, looks like someone already had their coffee in there. We have the white ones and we have the cream. There's a subtle difference there. Let's see if anything else is new over here. I think we found everything new. These are back, but they have the plastic lids. I don't know if I really like that or not. We have some of these bowls at home and they're really holding up well. These are back and they're really in stock. Also, the orange is here. We have oranges and grays and blacks, nice fall colors. We have chargers. I think I showed you guys everything new over here. I like these, the little metal lids. And then we have the plastic sealed glass lid. These are kind of like candle jar lids. These would actually be really perfect for pouring your own candles. If you like to repurpose candles, or if you like to make your own candles, those would be perfect. Like, I swear those are candle jars. Dollar Tree is definitely the cheapest place to get olives. Everywhere else is going to charge you about $1.45, $1.49. But just $1 here. And then we have some bonus buys this week. Glad sandwich bags. Instead of 22, we're getting 29. And then we have the slightly smaller snack bags. Both of these have the zipper. Again, 29 instead of 22. I'm picking up some of those this week. These are like shower caps for your salads and your bowls. We get 4 small, 7 medium, and 6 large, 17 in a box. You guys have been telling me that you love these. I've never tried them, but I really love the concept. I think those would be perfect if you do a lot of entertaining. Sunshine Kisses and Summer Wishes. This is my first time seeing this. That's cute. Yeah, you guys, I think that's it for me. This is the one location that always has these though. Aren't they cute? Super cute. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for coming along with me and shopping with me here in Dollar Tree. What is on your wish list for the week? Let me know down in the comments. I'm still looking for the $1 Poppets. I'm really hoping to find them. I'm just hoping that I stumble upon a large display of Poppets with all the varieties, because I really like my little Poppet I have. I actually have 3 of them now, but unfortunately none of them are from Dollar Tree. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.